my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing my new summer handbag. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything pink, girly, love decor, and shopping, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my social media. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So I got this gorgeous luxury inspired handbag from FABIOLAG.com. I'll leave you the link down below. I also have a coupon code and the exact link to this handbag. They have so many different beautiful bags, different like designers, different styles. This one here is a bag that I have always wanted to get. So let's go ahead and get started. The shipping took probably less than a week, to be honest, and it comes packaged very well in this box. So let me grab my scissors and open this up. I love handbags and I love switching them up every now and then. I literally switch them up almost all the time depending on my outfit, and that's why I don't have like an issue with sporting inspired bags or lookalikes. I also have the real like designer bags, so I decided to give it a try just because it's something fun and it's something that, you know, you can use. So that's why I decided to get this bag. I love that they include like a little tissue paper with the logo and the sticker. That's really cute. I can probably even confuse it for the real one. That's how like look-alike it is. And same with the ribbon. I love that about it. One thing I like to do with the ribbon, I don't know if you girls do this, but I like to make bows out of like the designer ribbons, and it's like really cool. So yeah, just in case you have like extra ribbon hanging around over there, you can always use it to make little bows or things for your hair. So it is packaged in another plastic bag. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Gorgeous. So this is supposed to be the GG Marmont. It is the size small. They do have like a bigger version and they have a mini. Look at the back. It's so cute. It has a heart. It is really soft, like very soft. Quality is great. The stitching is impeccable. Don't notice anything wrong with the stitching at all. The color on this is dusty rose and I love it. It's more like a very like dark dusty rose. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I love that. And look over here, even on the GG logo, it has tape on it to protect the hardware. I'm so excited, like really excited. How do I open this? Oh my gosh, I'm like trying to like pull at this and I just realized that under here there's a little tab that you press. Check this out. They even include little tags. This is awesome. This is so cool. The inside, oh my goodness, the inside is beautiful. Look at the inside. It is so soft. I think this is like suede material, but this is definitely like really nice suede. It's soft. It has like an additional little pocket in here. It has the little like tag. It says made in Italy. And then it has like another little tag in here with like a date code. This is beautiful. Like, wow, I am impressed. Look how gorgeous this is. Okay, I am so going to rock this so much this summer. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this wrapping off the strap and then the little logo right here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and here she is. She is absolutely gorgeous. Like when I say it is gorgeous, it literally is so beautiful. It's so nice. It's like the quality is perfect. There is no flaws, nothing. The stitching, the logo, the hardware, it's beautiful. Like the hardware is so perfect and I can't tell the difference. This is literally like incredible. The strap is very, very pretty. It is very heavyweight. It looks and feels very, very luxurious. The quality and the color on the chain as well is in this like beautiful like gold brassy color, just like all the Gucci's. And even the strap here, it's like super nice and soft. It is extremely soft. I can definitely tell this is real leather because it feels like it and it smells like real leather. So what I like about the strap is that you can either use it like this for like a shorter handbag, which is so cool because it's like 2-in-1, or you can just use the long strap like this and then use it as a crossbody. So I think this is like so beautiful. I am in love with this bag. I will be putting some stuff inside here, like some of my essentials so you can see what fits inside, as well as some mod shots so you can see how it looks. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab some of my everyday essentials, put them in the bag and see if they fit. So I laid out some of my essentials. We're gonna see if they fit inside my new purse. So here's the inside, fully empty with nothing inside. I'm gonna start with placing my cell phone in there. Next, I'm going to take my wallet. Fits perfect. Some keys. I'm also going to put in my compact mirror, my AirPods, a lipstick, a little roll-on perfume. This one, by the way, has been one of my favorites. It's the Tom Ford. And a hair scrunchie. It is super packed. I don't know if I can fit any more. I'm going to try to fit probably my sunglasses because that's the most important thing. And there it is. It fits perfectly inside. So if I wanted to put the cream and the other lip gloss, I don't think it would have fit in there. I would probably have to get rid of possibly my AirPods. And then I could fit my hand lotion in there and my lip gloss. Like that. And then that would fit. So you can definitely fit a lot of things inside this little bag. So with the strap, you can pull this one here to shorten it, and then you can either use it as a handbag or you can use it as a shoulder bag. And even if you use it as a shoulder bag, it is super comfy and there's still plenty of room to be able to move your arm. I really like the way this looks. It looks so pretty. This is definitely a way that I would use it to go out, maybe on a date, on a restaurant. So that's really cute. And then you can make it longer and use it as a crossbody. This is also a great way to wear it, and it's very, very comfortable. It's perfect. I love the size of this bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I am 5'6" for reference, and the bag as a crossbody hits me right at the hip area. So that was it for today's unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be leaving you the links to this beautiful bag down below in the description bar. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. And happy 4th of July. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.